Welcome aboard. I'm Darla May with the Leopard Brokerage. I am so excited to show you our newest listing, the Leopard 51 PowerCat. It's located here in Fort Lauderdale. The Flybridge Lounge is the ideal place for enjoying the full panoramic view and entertaining with family and friends. It has ample seating for guests and is outfitted with a fridge, ice maker, sink, and barbecue for ease of dining al fresco or just having cocktails while watching a beautiful sunset after a great day of cruising. The Helm Station is integrated into the Flybridge so that whoever is at the helm is still involved with everyone on board. The Helm Station is fully equipped with Ray Marine electronics. You have great vision all around from the Helm Station for ease of maneuvering with the aid of Ray Marine aft cameras. The aft cockpit is the ideal place for morning coffee with a large seating area and ease of access to the galley. Notice the teak decking leading down to the swim and dinghy platform with its electric winch and folding chocks. There are 2 dive tank racks, so scuba diving from the platform is very easy. The 2018 10-foot center console dinghy has custom Grace umbrella covers and a Tohatsu 30 horsepower with trim tabs. The Salon Galley flow seamlessly together to create a wonderful living space. The salon table converts to a standard double bunk with the ease of an electric leg. The dining area has room for several guests. The galley boasts professional-grade stainless steel appliances, including a fridge, microwave oven, double sinks, all the comforts of home. To port in the salon is the navigation station and the lower helm station. The forward cockpit is accessed from the salon through a watertight door. The cockpit is a terrific place to spend watching the sunrise with your coffee. The foredeck has large opening lockers that give you access to the water tanks, generator, and space for fenders, lines, and water toys. The Delta anchor's 50 meter of chain and controls are accessed here as well. The porthole features 2 guest cabins and 2 heads with Jabsco quiet flush electric toilets. AMIRAH 2 is the highly desirable owner's version, where the entire starboard hull is dedicated to the spacious master suite, with a large ensuite head, extra hanging storage, and a study desk. Thank you for joining us today on the Leopard 51. For more information, please contact us at Leopard Brokerage. Thanks for watching.